Hello everyone. In this video I would like to explain the contents of PioSolver 3 directory. Downloading and installing PioSolver is behind us, and we have PioSolver installed in this directory PioSolver 3. And we have a bunch of directories and files inside. So what are they for? So DLL and .dat files we can safely ignore. They're some internal technical details. However, we have here 3 executable files. So PioSolver 3 exe, PioUpdater exe, and PyViewer 3 exe. So PioUpdater is the program we already used before to download and install PioSolver. And this is also the program we want to use whenever we want to update our PioSolver to the newest version. Then we have PioSolver 3, which if we run, the black window will pop up. And this is a brain of PioSolver. And this application works as a text application where we can write some stuff. For example, we can load some tree in here. Then we can say show node. We can say calc EV for OOP player at R0. It shows a bunch of numbers representing the EVs for different hands. We have show hand order, which shows the order of hands in which those numbers are shown. So this is the PySolver application, and it would be not so handy to use it. So therefore we have also provided PyViewer, which is the graphical interface for the PioSolver. So at first the window is quite small, so we should enlarge it to fit our screen. Most of the stuff here is movable. So what happens here is the PyViewer actually connects to the PioSolver. So in the background it is running this program, and for most operations it's sending some text commands to the solver, gets data from the solver, and shows them in some nicer way. So for example, when we build a tree, then it sends a lot of commands saying build tree, and then it asks solver, okay, show children, show range, show strategy, and calculate EV. So this is pretty much these 3 programs: PySolver exe, PyViewer exe, and PioUpdater. Other contents of this directory is the logs directory, which is relatively important when something goes wrong. So whenever you encounter a bug in PySolver, then you should send us the bug report together with the relevant error log. So we're logging a bunch of stuff there, and when you encounter some bug, there is a chance I will find something useful in this file. So please send it with your bug reports. Then we have a Preflop subsets directory where we have included different subsets of flops of different sizes, which are quite good in approximating preflop EVs. So they are mostly used for the preflop calculations. We have preflop tree building and tree building. So these are 2 directories which include some example tree building configurations we provide. And in PyViewer, if we go to the tree building tab, the content of this tree view here is actually one-to-one files and directories in this tree building folder, and similarly here for Preflop tree building. We have ranges directory, which is also very similar. If we open the range selector, then here we have a list of example ranges, and these ranges are, again, they are simply the contents of the PyViewer ranges directory. So whatever we see here, we have here. So when we save a range, it appears here as a file and vice versa. So also moving ranges from one PioSolver installation to another is as simple as moving those files. We have resources, which is also internal PioSolver thing. We have saves, which is a default directory where we will be saving files. There is settings directory. In the settings directory, PioSolver stores some informations which are local to your installation. So at first there is only Windows settings, which keeps information about the location of the window and things like size of certain controls inside and etc. Next we have here sync directory, which is something very internal to PioUpdater, so it helps download updates a bit faster. We have table images, which is something for the trainer. So if you want to create like a custom trainer skin, then you can do so by editing files in this folder. And then we have a turbo activate directory, and this is a directory that may be useful sometimes for debugging purposes when for some reason the PySolver does not want to activate. You can get more information by trying to enter your code into turbo activate exe directly rather than PioSolver. So this can be used for troubleshooting. So that's pretty much it when it comes to the contents of the PioSolver directory. I will record more videos in this basic series about the actual usage of PySolver. So stay tuned for more videos, and thank you for watching.